Hi, Reese here with the Panasonic Series 500 3-blade electric shaver. Let's open it up and take a look at what you get inside. Inside the box, you get the shaver itself with a hard cover to protect the foils when not in use. You also get the charging cord, which is USB-C to USB-A, and cleaning brush for cleaning out the foils and cutters. Taking a look at this shaver, it's a 3-blade shaver from Panasonic. You can also use this flip on the front, so slide this down, and this opens a little trapdoor here, which allows you to rinse it directly without removing the cap. You'll see the head has movement side to side, and this again helps with it contouring to the face and shading the neck area. On the front is the on and off switch. This also is the travel lock. Below this is battery indicator light. It charges in just 1 hour for 45 minutes of runtime with a lithium-ion battery inside. The Series 500 comes with a 2-year warranty and is available now at your local shaver shop and online. Thanks everyone.